Kimchi is a traditional Korean side dish made from fermented vegetables, mostly cabbage, mixed with various seasonings like chili powder, garlic, ginger, and salt. Kimchi is a staple in Korean kitchen. Kimchi is not only delicious, but it is also rich in probiotics and vitamins. Today, I'll be making kimchi in my own Nigerian way. So I've gotten this little cabbage that I'm going to be using to try kimchi. I'll wash the cabbage and I'm going to cut it into smaller size. If you want to know how Koreans make their own kimchi, you can go to the YouTube search bar and type in kimchi recipe. It's going to show you a lot of recipes. So after slicing the cabbage, I'm going to transfer it into a bowl. Then after transferring it into a bowl, I'm going to add enough salt. We are going to soak the cabbage in salt. Then I'm going to pour in some water and allow it to soak for 30 or more minutes. So I'm going to soak it for 30 minutes while I prepare the sauce. So I'm going to dice my onions. So in a pan, I'm going to mix my pepper and seasoning together. For my pepper mix, I used bell pepper and fresh cayenne pepper. That's shombo pepper. That's what we call cayenne pepper in Nigeria. So I'm going to transfer the pepper mix into the pan. I'm going to add in a beef seasoning cube and I'm going to transfer in the diced onions and I'll be adding some flaked fish. You can add as much seasoning as you want, as much spices as you want into this pepper sauce. Now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. I'm going to mix all these together. So after mixing up the pepper with the seasoning and everything I needed to add, I'm going to steam it up for some minutes. I will let it steam for some minutes. So now I'm going to go ahead to rinse out the cucumber from the salt water. After steaming the pepper sauce for some minutes, I'm going to transfer in the cabbage into the pepper sauce. Even though the Koreans don't steam their pepper sauce, the recipes I've watched, they didn't steam the pepper sauce. I steamed mine. The Nigerian in me will not allow me just add the cabbage without steaming the pepper a bit. So I'm going to mix this together till everything is well coated in the pepper sauce. Guys, this was very tasty. I add it with white rice. You can eat it raw, but I add mine with white rice. Please try this recipe and let me know what you think about it. And if you're a Korean coming across this video, tell me what you think about my recipe in the comment section. I enjoyed this recipe so much and my family did also. Thank you for watching. In the comment section if you'll be trying this recipe. Till I come your way next time, stay safe. Bye.